Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, who Bossy with Bossy Solutions, and today I've got another bad credit card for all of the boss gang on the channel. Shout out to everybody that's been hitting the subscribe button. Listen, we are 185 subscribers strong at the time of the recording of this video, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So guess what? I got more bad credit cards for you. So without further ado, let's get into the information on today's video. And today I'm coming at you with a Aspire credit card. And this credit card comes up to $1,000, and you can get approved with bad credit. Okay, let's get into this information right here. So let's go over to some features about the Aspire card. So one of the main features that I like about this card and why it's good for people with bad credit is because you can pre-qualify without a hard pull. And you know, if you have bad credit, you're not trying to get any derogatory marks, and you're not trying to get any hard pulls, because those can put a small ding in your credit. Okay, so you can pre-qualify and get immediate results. There are no one-time fees with this card. There are no monthly fees for your first year, and then you're gonna have a 29.99 APR, and you're gonna get 1 to 3% cash back. Now, I do usually have the application linked in the description, and today is no exception. The application to this card is linked in the description. Comment below if you get approved for this card, okay? And let me know if you got approved for the full $1,000 credit limit, okay? And watch my other videos, because this would be a good card to apply for after you've gotten maybe a smaller limit credit card and you've had it for about 6 months. So I'm going to link the playlist to the other credit cards if you don't get approved for this credit card. I've got some other credit cards that you could get approved for, and I have that playlist linked up top and in the description for you, okay? But some other features that I wanted to go over about the Aspire card is that not only is it good for bad credit and you get approved with bad credit, and I would say you would need a credit score within maybe like the mid 500s to mid to high 500s, okay? And you're gonna have like if you use this card to get a cash advance, there's a $5 or 5% fee, whichever is greater. And then you have on your cash advance, if you were to get this card, there is a different APR of 32.99% on a cash advance. I usually don't get cash advances. Also, you can easily just connect the card to your Cash App and Cash App it. You feel me? Cash App the money off of the card, so there's really no need to do cash advances like that anymore. There's a foreign exchange fee of 3%. There's a smart chip in this card, and you get a grace period of 25 days with Aspire, okay? All right, well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope everyone that watches this video got the information that they needed. And comment below, like I said, if you got approved for this card. And check out the other playlists that I have for other credit cards for people with bad credit, okay? Thank you so much for the 185 subscribers that we have thus far on this channel. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and at our first 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. So y'all go ahead and don't be shy. Let's get these subscriptions up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.